On this video, we're going to see if we can change this plain white steel door to look like wood.
Hey y'all, I'm Kelley, and this is where cozy meets real life. Welcome to Kelley's Cozy Living.
I have never painted this front door, and I never painted it because I didn't ever know what color I wanted it. So it is still just the actual raw metal color primer that it was when we installed it. So today I wanted to do a video about gel stain. And I thought, what if a better way to do that than try to transform this door to look like wood? You're gonna find out how it turns out, because I'm posting this video whether it's ugly and I have to paint over it, or it turned out exactly how I have it in my head. The things that you need for this project is a base color paint, like a primer, like a flat paint, because this door is white and that is not the background color that I want. So I went to Lowe's and picked out a warm beige color, and this is called Leatherwood, I think it was. Leather bound. This is the color that I picked out was leather bound, and I'm gonna put it on, and it is a flat paint, and it will be like a primer. It can have streaks and stuff because this is just the base. We're gonna cover it up with the gel stain. Now, for the gel stain, I got the Valspar, but Minwax is the one that I have used in the past, and I just wanted to try a different brand. I don't know if this is gonna come back to bite me or not, but we're gonna find out if all of them are equal. So you need a gel stain. I picked out dark walnut because I like special walnut that's in Minwax, and I figured this is gonna be the closest color to it. And then you're gonna need some chippy brushes because this is an oil base. You're gonna want something that you can throw away, and I just ordered a big pack of these off of Amazon, and I will link everything in the description box below that I can, and these will be Amazon affiliate links. Let's clean up this door and get to work on it. The first thing you want to do is to clean the surface well, very well. I just used some vinegar Windex for mine. Next, you want to tape off anything you don't want to stain or paint. Just use painter's tape. Honestly, I should have taken off the doorknob and the deadbolt, but I was being a little lazy. Now, go in with your base coat. You actually want this to be a little streaky and uneven. That's what helps with the natural wood grain look, and you only need one coat. Now for the fun part, the gel stain. I did watch somebody's video that said rubbed it off with a rag and then put it back over the top of it. I did not like how it did that. It's the only part of this door that I do not like is the top where I did that. That technique did not work for me. It obviously works for them, but it would not work for me. I did not like that technique. It seemed like once I did that, the gel stain, it changed the way that it looked. I started with a chip brush and put a pretty thick coat on, then spread it out. After that, I grabbed a dry chip brush and I used long strokes, following the direction that a natural wood grain would go. Just keep working it. You've got time, don't rush it. I started staining the door, and halfway through, I realized I might have picked the wrong product. It went on way thinner than I expected. And then I had to add a polyurethane coat over the gel stain because I really wasn't happy with it at this point. Using gel stain is an amazing way to transform a lot of things. I have used it on this handrail here by the doorway because our handrail used to be kind of that orangey, yellow, old oak color. I know you know what I'm talking about. I used that on it and it totally transformed it. Then, because I was like, wait a minute, I liked this so much, I had a table that was that same color and I completely transformed it. I used this on the tabletop to darken it and give it a more rich look. And then I painted the legs and everything on it. And I did like a distressed look to give it an aged feel. And that turned out great. Now, when I used it on that table, the next day it was still tacky. The next day it was still tacky. And I thought, I have ruined this table. But then it cured and it's been perfect. So that Minwax stain took a long time to cure. But then I went and did it on our cabinets in the den because we have a whole bunch of cabinets in there. And I loved, because again, it was that old oak color. You know what I'm talking about, that like 80s, 90s color of oak. It really dates your house, so I wanted to update it. I used it on the cabinets all in there and it looked fabulous. I did that and then changed out the knobs. Now, I painted the cabinets in the kitchen and I had done that before I did the gel stain. If I had to go back and do over, I would have painted the top cabinets, but the bottom cabinets, I would have definitely did the gel stain on them because it has held up so good. One of the cabinets in the den has baskets on it and I know this sounds crazy, I have my coffee in the den, but it is right there by our coffee bar. So it has a basket of coffee there and we pull that in and out. Again, it's been 12 years since we've done that. You can't even tell that we pull that basket in and out every day. It has not scratched it. It has not like wore off or anything. So when I decided to do this door, I was excited, but I had not done it on steel or have done it on anything other than wood. I even had a client that I told them how to do it and they did it in their kitchen before they sold their house to update their cabinets. I love how this door turned out. I don't know that I like the Valspar. When I got it, the Valspar was $9.99 for a quart and the Minwax was $20. So it was half the price. So I thought, for this project, I'll just try the Valspar. And I feel like this is gonna scratch off some. And I don't know if it's because of the Valspar or if it's because of what kind of door it's on. I absolutely love how this turned out. It looks fabulous. The only thing that I think I would change, I didn't want to just finish this video and hope for the best. I wanted to make sure I was giving you the best options. So I ran to the store, grabbed some Minwax gel stain, and tested it on another door. It just really bothered me that I didn't love the Valspar as much as I remember liking the Minwax. The Minwax has held up so good all these years. And this, to me, just didn't feel as good of a bond as the Minwax did. And that bothered me. And I don't ever want to recommend or anything, something that I wouldn't use just to do a video. So I am always gonna be honest on here with you. I will not tell you something that I don't believe. We rely on YouTube videos to help us make a decision. And for me, I've gone to YouTube videos to try to make a decision and find out something that they've told me wasn't true. Now, granted, I know everybody's opinion about stuff is totally different, and that does happen, but there's certain things that I will not tell you just for you to buy something or to use my affiliate links to get something that I wouldn't purchase myself. While this looks really good, it already has scratched just a little bit right here. So now I'm like really regretting my decision of using the Valspar just to save a little bit of money. I saved nothing. It was half the price when I purchased it of the Minwax, but I did have to put a polyurethane over the top of it. The other, I didn't have to put a polyurethane over it. If you look at it, it already has like a little bit of a sheen, like it has like a polyurethane or something built into it. I don't know how to explain it. The Minwax is way more thicker and it just goes on so much better than the Valspar. The Valspar was very thin and this was dry within a few hours. I did the Minwax yesterday and it is still tacky today. It takes about 2 or 3 days for that tackiness to go away, which I guess is a negative because you kind of have to baby whatever you have put it on for that long of a time. But that finish is gonna stay because the table that I have, it's been on it for 14 years, no scratches, no nothing. The cabinets in the den, it's been on there for 14 years, no scratching, no coming off. And I even have those baskets that I pull in and out daily that don't scratch it. It is a very durable finish. This, I'm not sure that it's gonna be so durable. I've toyed with the idea, can I put the Minwax over the top of this and it would work? I don't know. I'm just gonna live with it for a little while and see what happens. That being said, the Minwax one down in the garage that I did, oh not garage, it's not a garage, it used to be our garage, it's a game room now. It, even though it's still tacky, you can scratch it a little bit and it's not coming off at all. This, it is dried for a couple of days and it is already starting to just scratch off. And I can't say that it's the paint because I used the same brand paint to paint those doors down there that I painted this door. And again, you could just feel the difference, like just looking in the can. It's just a superior product. I love this technique and I wanted to bring it to y'all. And I should have had this video posted this past week, but I ended up having to do a filler video to make it work so that I could have you a video. Wanted to make sure that I give it justice and let you know exactly my thoughts about a product rather than just rushing to make a video. Till next time, like and subscribe.